Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So we're wrapping some interior pieces today. I got all the interior pieces out and I started wrapping them last night. I was gonna vlog taking the interior pieces out and the wrapping process, but I kind of got in the groove of just getting it done, getting them wrapped. I left one piece still from the steering wheel. It's not wrapped, so we're gonna get this one all wrapped up right now. What do you guys think? What do you think of the blue? I'm a total fan of this blue. I just love how it turned out, and it's almost like a satin chrome material. But yeah, I'm really digging it. For those who know. And so here's what some of the pieces look up a little closer. When I wrapped them, I actually went all the way around the backside so that when you put them on, it can't peel up. And then I post heated it so that there's no tension in the material and it's not going to want to back off or start peeling up, and it should last quite a long time until I decide to take it off and change the colors. So like that, let's get this last one wrapped and we'll take them out to the car and we'll look at what the final product looks like. Okay, there's a quick snippet on what it's like to wrap an interior piece. Just take your time. You will want a heat gun. Just be cautious. You can burn and over melt the material, so just take your time. Be patient with it, and any of you guys can do it as well. The big thing is using the proper material. You're gonna want to use like good vinyl such as Vivid, Avery, 3M, any of those proper wrap vinyls. They have the characteristics in them to be able to wrap properly and conform to shapes. So if there's any advice I can do is proper material, clean the parts, take your time and be patient. Now, let's take these and go back and install them in the car. Mental note, I can't face this way because the wrap is like 60-70% done, and the big reveal video isn't until this Sunday. So if you want to see what the car is looking like so far, I would say 60-70% of the wrap installed. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell below, and I'm gonna reveal the majority of the wrap on this Sunday. So if you want to see that, stay tuned because it is coming on Sunday. But the thing I wanted to mention is I got all the pieces wrapped, and I'm gonna put the iDrive system back in. Make sure when you put it into the car that you plug it in. Same with your door lock controls and hazard lights. Make sure, don't forget to plug them in, because if you get this all in and you go to push it and the door doesn't work, you're probably going to freak out thinking you broke something. So just make sure you plug everything back in that you unplugged, taking the interior pieces out. So let's get these installed. it's all back together. I'll do some slow montage of the interior and what it looks like. It's crazy how much of a difference it is. It was like maybe $20-30 of material in the grand scheme of things to do such a drastic interior change. I'm kind of digging it. It's super blue, a lot different from the camo interior before, but yeah, I think it looks really good in here. One more thing off the checklist to do, and here's what it looks like. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm super happy with it. It's going to add that much more to the show once I've got all the interior XKGLOW lighting on and got the windows down. It's just gonna be looking minty. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.